In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide the header section in the Hostinger website builder. Whether you're looking to create a cleaner aesthetic or simply want to change up the layout without completely removing content, knowing how to hide sections can be a valuable skill. So let's get started. First, you'll want to access the website builder editor. To do this, open your Hostinger website builder and navigate to the editor for your specific website. This is where you can make all the custom tweaks and changes to how your website looks and functions. Once you're in the editor, the next step is to select the header section. Go ahead and click on the header section of your website within the editor. It's typically at the top of your web page and usually includes elements like logos, navigation menus, and sometimes social media icons. After selecting the header, a menu or panel should appear. This is your gateway to customizing the header settings. Look out for an Edit Header button or a similarly named option. Engaging with this button will expand the header settings, providing you with more control over what elements are displayed and how they appear. Moving forward, within these header settings, you'll have options to manage the various elements within the header. If you're aiming to hide specific elements like a logo, a navigation menu, or those social media icons, click directly on the element you wish to hide. Typically, there will be an eye icon or a hide option popping up. Select this to make that particular element invisible on your web page. Now, you might be considering hiding the entire header section, which can sometimes be a bit trickier since it's not always a standard feature available across all templates or builder versions. For those platforms that do support it, look specifically for an option labeled Hide Section, or something similar within the main settings of the header. If this setting is accessible, selecting it will hide the header on just the current page or across your entire website, depending on the specific configuration you choose. Finally, after making your desired changes, it's crucial to update your website. Ensure that you save the modifications and update your website accordingly. This will ensure any changes you made are reflected online, allowing your visitors to see the updated version of your site, and there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily hide the header or individual elements within it, tailoring the look and feel of your website just the way you envisioned. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you achieve the perfect layout for your Hostinger website.